Once upon a time, in a small town near the forest, there lived a boy named Jack. Jack was a curious boy. He loved to explore and solve puzzles. One sunny afternoon, Jack went to visit his grandmother. She lived in an old house with a big attic. Jack liked the attic because it was full of interesting things: old books, paintings, and boxes. While he was looking around, he saw something strange. In the corner of the attic, there was a small wooden box. The box was locked. On top of the box, there was a note. The note said, "Find the key hidden somewhere in this house, and unlock the secrets within." Jack was excited. What could be inside, he thought. He decided to search the whole house to find the key. Part 1, Searching the Living Room. First, Jack went to the living room. He looked under the sofa cushions. He opened drawers and checked behind picture frames. But he didn't find the key. "Maybe it's not here," Jack said. "I need to keep looking." Part 2, Exploring the Kitchen. Next, Jack went to the kitchen. He opened every drawer and cabinet. Inside one drawer, he found forks, knives, spoons, and then he saw something shiny. It was the key. "I found it!" Jack shouted happily. He picked up the key and ran back to the attic. Part 3, Unlocking the Box. When Jack returned to the attic, he put the key into the lock and turned it. Click. The box opened. Inside, there was a map. The map showed a path leading to the riverbank. At the end of the path, there was an X marked on the map. "A treasure map!" Jack exclaimed. "This must mean there's treasure buried near the river." Jack couldn't wait to follow the map and find the treasure. But before he could leave, his grandmother called him for dinner. Jack decided to wait until tomorrow to start his adventure. What do you think Jack will find at the riverbank? Stay tuned for episode 2 to find out.